Okay, question 4, a bit more straightforward in terms of question length. We've got the integral between 1 and 2 of x cubed log of 2x dx can be written in the form p log 2 add q, where p and q are rational numbers. Find p and q. Okay, so this is an integral of two functions being multiplied together. So it's a job for integration by parts. Now we are given the formula in the formula booklet. Here it is. So that's nice. Now what we need to do is be careful as to what we choose to be in u and what we choose to be dv by dx. So we can't integrate logarithms. We can, but not nicely. And if we took the log to be dv by dx, we would get stuck in an endless loop. So we want u to be log of 2x. Now from that we can find du by dx. So using the chain rule, we differentiate 2x, which gives us 2, and then we differentiate log of 2x, which would give us 1 over 2x. So we get 2 times 1 over 2x, which just gives us 1 over x. So that means then that we are saying dv by dx is equal to x cubed. Therefore, v is equal to x to the 4 over 4. Okay, so let's calculate the integral then. So we're not going to worry about the limits just yet. So the integral is u times v. So log of 2x times x squared over 4. So let's write that as x to the 4 log 2x all over 4 minus the integral of v times du by dx. So that's x to the 4 over 4 times 1 over x. So that's going to give us x cubed over 4. Okay, so we can calculate that second integral, no problem. So I is x to the 4 log of 2x over 4 minus, well, we're going to get x to the power 4 over 16. So now then we can say that the integral between 1 and 2 of x cubed log 2x with respect to x is equal to x to the 4 log 2x over 4 minus x to the 4 over 16 between 1 and 2. Okay, so let's start substituting the numbers in. So we're going to get x to the power 4 is 16. So we're going to get 16 log of 4 over 4 minus 16 over 16, so that's minus 1, minus 1 to the power 4 is just 1, so we get minus a log 2 over 4, and then we've also got in this bracket minus 1/16. Okay, so 16 log 4 over 4 is 4 log 4 minus 1. Now we got minus log 2 all over 4, and then add 1/16. Now, log 4 is not in the form log 2. By the rules of logs, we can write this as, well, first up, we could say that this is log of 2 squared. And then by the rules of logs, the power of 2 can come out the front and multiply the 4. So we could write this as 8 log 2 minus 1 minus log 2 over 4, add 1/16. So we got 8 log 2 minus log 2 over 4. So you could just use your calculators here now to simplify this. 8 is 32/4. So we have 32/4 log 2 minus 1/4 log 2. We have 31/4 log 2. And then we got minus 1, add 1/16. So that's minus 15/16. Job done.